guys, today we have another great product to review. We have a tabletop Christmas tree.
Ooh, ho ho ho! Open that up, Annalisa. Let's see what's inside. So, I see, looks like you got a base.
Lights.
Some lights. Or that's the,
We have the tree.
Oh! There is the tree itself.
Do I do this?
Very carefully. Take your time. Gotta spread it evenly.
Come on, tree.
It's that time of year and we need lots of Christmas decorations in our house. It's gonna be nice to have a little tiny tree. It's like 2 feet tall when fully assembled.
How do I get these ones? Oh. Tree.
Alright. See if you can, well, let's get that box out of the way. And the wrapper. And you got a tree base right there. Put it in the stand. Awesome.
Tree.
Now, time to start decorating.
I like the star. Do you see the star?
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also winter's cold and dear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Christmas tree, oh Christmas
That good?
tree.
That's good. We can just move that bulb and
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. From base to sun and gay and
star on top.
Need batteries.
Christmas tree,
Yeah.
oh Christmas tree,
Alright, go ahead and
shine so brightly.
yeah, you can stick that right in the base.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas
So look like there's different modes for the lights.
There's on and flash.
oh
Alright, start at the base, start at the bottom.
How richly God has decked me.
There you go.
True and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh, Christmas tree,
That girl.
Christmas tree, how richly God has decked me.
Cool. Okay, leave it just like that. Turn it this way. Merry Christmas. And that's how it looks. The tabletop Christmas tree. We'll put a link in the description below where you may purchase this on Amazon.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.